The sun's so bright! I can't see my phone screen at all.
Ahem. It looks like you're having some troubles, friend.
Who's there? I can't see anything. What's going on?
Don't worry. I have a solution just for you. Ta-da! I have a box head just for you. There you go. Now you can enjoy the shade inside the box. There's even a spot for your phone so you won't have to hold it.
This video is so funny! I love it! It's my new fave. I can't believe they just did that to the teacher!
A job well done. I knew it would work because cardboard can do anything.
Yes! I've got more money that I can add to my savings jar! I can't wait until I've saved enough to afford a new puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppies are the best. I should start thinking of a name. Oh my! It's too dusty in this room. Huh? Huh? Achoo! Right there! Oh, come back! Oh no! This is getting even worse! Please stop falling! Oh no! There it goes! Over the edge! Oh my, oh no, it cracked right open. Grandma! What happened to my puppy savings jar? Don't worry. Granny can fix this. I just need some cardboard. There. But I need a couple more of these to make some layers. And then I'll add some paint because we want it to be pretty too. Now for this circular piece, I'm gonna need some hot glue. And the doggy can sit right on top of it. Good boy. Next up, I'll add a jar right here with a slit in the lid. Now feed the doggy. Oh my gosh! Look at the coin! It's going right down to the jar! Yes! It made it inside with the rest of the coins! Ooh! It's so hard getting into the door like this! Phew! I made it! Oh my gosh! Honey! What happened to you? Oh well, I was playing soccer. Can't believe how fast I was running after that ball. Okay, and then what happened? Well, then I was fighting over the ball with one of their forwards. She was a tough one. But I knew what I was doing. I got the ball away from her. Then I was driving it down the field. And then… well, I tripped. On my own ankle. And down I went. And we lost the game because of that! All because I fell! Ugh! I'm so angry! Oh, I feel so bad for her. She loves playing soccer. Yep, I have a solution. Okay, let me take this pizza box and open it up like this. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Okay, now that the pizza's fully eaten, I can start to tape up these corners. Great! Let's add some green paper to the bottom. Now for some decorations. I really want this to look like a soccer field. Next up, straws. I'll bend them, slide them together, and then put them in place with some glue. Let's add some stadium decorations to make it look fun. Okay, this straw's for you, and this one for me. Now blow! Oh, I'm gonna getcha. You'll have to blow harder than me to beat me. Ooh, you almost had me! But I've got great defense! No way am I gonna let you win this! Yes! Goal! I win! Alright, time for a rematch then. Let's go! No one's looking, so now's my chance to get a snack. Ugh, why is this bag so difficult to open? Come on, I need snacks! Oh no! The bag's split in half! There go all my hopes and dreams for a tasty snack.
Hey look! Free candy! Let's get it!
Stop! That's my candy! Get out of here! Oh, there's one left for me! Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? This is so frustrating. Oh gosh, everyone stole all her candy. Maybe I can help her. What the heck are you doing? Psst. Hey, I've got a solution to your candy problem. Take a look at this. It's my little piggy. Go on, push his nose. See? It's a candy dispenser. I'll show you how I made him. I started with some pieces of cardboard like this. Then I attached 3 more. Then I added this base piece. This next part requires more cardboard, of course. But also some small dowels. We need this shape, another dowel, and 2 small rubber bands. This is now ready to go inside the box we're building. It should fit easily. I'm gonna slide it down and hook the rubber band on these dowels here. I'm using some tweezers to help make it a little easier. Don't forget to set the rubber band on the other side too. Then I push it back and the candy slides right out. Great! Now let's cover it up and add some little ramps pointing down. We'll want to cover the front too so it's prettier. We're on the home stretch. I added this plastic case to hold the candy. And then a cute little lid so the candy doesn't spill everywhere. Look! It even pops open so you can put in more candy when needed. Ooh! Look at how delicious it is. Close the lid and then it's time to add some decorations. Wow! First off, this candy's great! But secondly, that pig is so cute! Alright, I better scooch back over to my desk now. Vroom, vroom, vroom! I'm totally gonna win this race! No one can stop me now! Bye, Susan. I'll see you for our lunch next week. Gosh, what a fun afternoon. It's always nice hanging out with friends. Mom put her car keys right over there! Well, I guess I better start getting dinner ready. What if I… just sneak a little closer. She can't see me behind these flowers. What was that noise? It sounded suspicious. Huh, no one's there. Time to switch from flowers to this bigger fern! Yoink! Tiptoe, tiptoe, tippy-toe! I'm here! I got the car keys! Wow, real keys! Time to drive a real car! Woo! Best day ever! Ugh, let me go! I wasn't driving that fast!
Ma'am, are these yours?
Oh no! Not my baby! And not my car! Ugh, okay. I just need to do something else to get my car racing fix. I've got this piece of cardboard, so let me cut out some shapes. And now it's time to add some glue on top like this. And then the bottom. I'm gonna stick another matching piece on top. Good. And now I'll just do the same thing with the glue as before. Adding a third piece on top should do it. This one has no hole in the middle. What's the next step? More glue, of course. And then putting another piece of cardboard on that one too. There we go. That should finally be enough layers for this project. Now it's time to add some paint, because that's the most fun part. I really love this orange color. It's so bright and pretty. And done. I'm putting a phone case in there. I measured beforehand, so it's a perfect fit. We've got more cardboard pieces and more glue now. And of course we'll be putting them together for more layers. This next part is a bit tricky because I want this piece glued at an angle like so. And then I just need for it to dry. Once it does though, I can paint it. Time to put it all together. It'll just slide in place with this battery. Ta-da! I made my own steering wheel holder for my phone. Vroom, vroom! Yeah, I'm in first place! No one can catch me! This is the best game ever! And the best steering wheel, too! Vroom! Whoa, look at her bouncing that basketball! She's really good at dribbling. Look, she's taking a shot! Oh, no way! The ball rolled right over to me! Now's my chance! I can be a basketball star, too! What the heck is she doing with my ball? Yeah! Check out these killer baller moves! What the? Oh no! Here she comes! I'm taking the shot! Here it comes! Yes! It wasn't even close. Anyway, this is my ball, so that's enough out of you. Find something else to do. What? Why does she have to be so mean? She thinks she's so good just because she can actually play basketball. Hey, look at this! I can definitely use this. Let me just set out this piece of cardboard. And now it's time to get crafty. I'll just put a line of hot glue down the tube just like this. And then I can press it to this flat piece on the ground. And then I'll attach these little strips in a sort of V shape. The other end of the tube is going right into this hole I cut in the box. Next up, a hoop! Because you can't really play basketball without one. I'll use this plastic bag as a net. I'll just have to snip off the bottom though so the ball falls through. My basketball is totally deflated. But hey, cardboard can fix that too. Alright, time to practice my b-ball skills so I can get better. Yes! My first basket on my new setup! It's working! Another basket! Woo! I'm the best! Party time! Dance party! Let's live it up! Phew. It's hot in here. I could use a break, I think. No room on that couch. And those beanbags are taken. Well, I guess I'll just try and make some space for me. Hey, come on! What are you doing? We're sitting here. Oh, shoot, I fell down. Guess there's not room for me after all. Hey, what's going on over there? Oh shoot, this bottle's empty. Better get rid of it. That whole trash bin is full of empty soda bottles. Just need to dig a bit more. Yes! I totally have a great idea. I've got all these bottles in a cardboard box. I've just gotta organize them so they'll all fit in here. Perfect! Now I can just close this box up. And then I'll tape it shut to make sure it stays closed too. Hey, toss me that pillow, will ya? Thanks! This'll work perfectly. And then a little rug over the top too. And then side. Now to put my sewing skills to the test. Got it! Just gotta stitch these little rugs together now. Okay, that should be good enough. Let me just snip off the extra. Alright, I totally made my own seat. And it looks cute too. Time to get this and me back to the party. I just love my little seat so much. But I need a snack too. Let's see. Do I want something to eat or something to drink? Something to drink for sure. Hey! That guy totally just took my seat! Ugh!
Oh, thanks. I do want a trip.
Let's see. Gotta make a good gift for Mom. Yes, done! Take a look at what I made.
A paper airplane. Nice work. But check out what I've done. I made her a paper snowflake.
That's what you made? That's ridiculous. It's just a bunch of holes.
Well, forget you. You just made a dumb paper airplane. Ah, how dare you?
Well, take that!
You ruined my gift. I hate you.
Well, I hate you! Look at these two fighting like this. We can't have that. Stop! Whoa, what happened? Where are we?
I think that weird wizard brought us here.
Weird wizard? Well, I can't have that. Here, this is better. And now, welcome to this challenge. Alright, I have this dollhouse as you can see. As you can see, it's missing a sofa. You need to make one.
Make one, huh? I wonder how I could do this. Wait a second. I've got an idea. Okay, here's this couch. Time to make some measurements.
Where did she even go? Weird. I'm just gonna make this couch with origami. I'll fold it in half, corner to corner. Then I'll open it and do the same from the other corners. Now to fold the corner to the middle line. And then unfold and do it again. Now I'll bring it back to the center. Gotta make sure to crease it well. And then I'll repeat those steps on the other side. It's going well so far. And now I'm caught up to the other side. And now I move on to the next steps. More folds into the middle. On both sides again too. It's getting a little harder to fold. Okay, now I get to unfold it a bit. But I gotta fold the other corners to the middle now. And then more unfolding and folding to the new center line. And now we fold it back up. Can't forget to turn it over and do it on the other side. It's starting to come together. Alright, unfold it and refold it again. It needs to be a rectangle. And now I can fold the ends inside to make a sort of box. Gotta do the other end too. Great! And I'll make another one too. I'll put these two boxes together. Yes, this part is done. Now for this next little piece of paper. I'll fold it in half without creasing it and then slide it in the ends. Another one too for the arms of the sofa. You know what? It needs some pillows too. Ta-da! It's so cute! Here's my sofa, Mr. Wizard. Excellent job!
Gotta make sure I measure every length. Okay, now I need to do some math.
I'm surprised she hasn't come back yet. Oh, she fell asleep. Well, I'm happy with my results. I'll just put my little couch right here in the dollhouse. Next challenge, I expect you to make this. Okay, I think I can do this. I'll start with this paper.
I wonder what the best way to tackle this paper boat is. But gosh, I wish I was on a real boat. Sailing on the blue waves, sun and wind in my hair. So relaxing and beautiful. I could spend my whole summer on a boat.
Looks like she's lost in her imagination again. She's gonna fall behind though. I better get her attention.
What?
We're supposed to be making origami boats.
Oh, right. Okay, I'll get to work. I'll start by folding it in half on the long edge. Okay, that's good. Nice start. And now I'll turn it around and fold it on the other end too. Gotta make sure it's nice and creased. Okay, I'll open it back up and fold down the corner. It's kind of like making a paper airplane. But it can't be an airplane, of course. It needs to be a boat. I'll fold up this lip. It's sort of got a boat shape now. Or if not a boat, maybe a captain's hat. Okay, now this next step is a bit harder. I've got to pop it open and fold it down again. And then tuck this edge under the under one so it's flat. Back to folding the corners up. Look! I made a cool triangle, but still not a boat. Gotta flip it over here. And now for the finishing step. Woo! Look! I pulled it open and now it's a boat. It turned so great! Love it! Now we have 2 little boats. We're awesome!
Good job, both of you. You passed this challenge. Hey, wait a second. Come with me. We'll try them out. Hey, where are you guys going? All right, the tub is full. Are you ready to set sail?
Ew, look! They're floating! So cute!
Oh, they're starting to get soggy. Well, they are just paper. Definitely gotta work on my manicure. Oh, you ready? Okay. Here's your next challenge.
Fingernails! Got it! Time to break out my manicure kit. Let's see, where do I want to start? Oh, these blue ones, I think. They'll match my outfit. Alright, time to start gluing these on. Yes, take a look at these. Challenge completed.
What? Ah, no. That's not what I meant at all. Wow, your nails are ridiculous. I'm gonna use origami again. I'll take this corner and fold it halfway down to the other edge. Then the other corner to have a triangle on top. Now for this corner too, for another triangle. And then the final corner too. Okay, now I've got to fold this up to the top. And then fold it across. Now I've got a full triangle. Good. Okay, I'll open it back up and then fold the corner down. I'll flip it down now too. And then I'll fold the last bit up. There's a lot of folding for this project. But I still want sharp creases, even though the paper is getting thicker. This is the tricky bit. I've kinda gotta pop this open and fold in the corner. But that's it! Look! I can slip my finger right in here! Ta-da! Check out these nails! Oh, creepy. Good job!
Why aren't my nails good enough?
You should have seen your face!
Whatever! You're too mean!
What do you think the next challenge will be? It's cranes! That's your next challenge!
I wonder how I can do this one.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure where to start.
Ooh! I know what I can do! I've got my earbuds! I'll just pop them into my ears. This will work. Time to start this playlist! Yeah! I feel this! This is definitely my jam! Time to get folding! I'll start with the usual corner-to-corner fold. And then the other corners too! Next up, the edge-to-edge fold. Crease it sharply and then open it back up. And then do the same with the other edge too. Okay, I've got to open it back up and then for something a little trickier. I've got to use the existing folds to make this triangle. Now I've got to fold this little edge to the new middle. Good! And then the other edge too. Then this top little corner has to come down, but then back up. Flip the whole thing over and do the same edge folds. Okay, back over to the front and open it up a bit. Another trickier fold here, but now it looks like a diamond. Okay, now more of those little edge folds. They're pretty small now too. Keep creasing though. What's next? Flipping it over and repeating, of course. I like this next step. It's a fun one. This little leg-looking part folds up now. And then this tip down. It's starting to come together. Using the scissors, this cut has to go all the way up to the middle. This wing comes down like this now, and the other one too. And then fold these little cut flaps like this. 1, 2, 3 folds. Yes, look! I made a little origami crane. So cute! Watch, he can do a little crane dance.
Okay. Oh, she's really into it again. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I've got my playlist going. Check it out.
Oh, wow, I get it now. This playlist is a bop. I guess I better get folding too.
Woo! Dance, little crane!
Yes, my crane's done and ready to dance too. Look at them go. They're dancing up a storm. What's going on over there? Where's that music coming from? Ooh, I feel like dancing too.